Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public answer sheets. First, familiarize yourself with the sheet's layout, which typically includes sections for personal details and answer choices. Always use a number 2 pencil or a black ink pen, as other writing instruments may not be scannable. Make sure your sheet is clean and free from any tears or folds before you begin. This preparation ensures your responses are accurately recorded. When marking your answers, it is crucial to fill the entire bubble for your selection. Do not use check marks, circles, or X's. If you need to change an answer, erase your previous mark completely and cleanly. Any stray marks or incomplete erasures could be misread by the scanning machine. Precision here is key to ensuring your answers are correctly interpreted. Before you begin answering questions, carefully complete the personal information section. This includes your full name, identification number, and any other required demographic data. Take a moment to double-check every entry for accuracy. Incorrectly filled personal details, such as a miswritten student ID, can lead to your sheet not being properly associated with your record. Accuracy is paramount. Once you have finished, take a few minutes to review your entire answer sheet. Confirm that every question you intended to answer has a clear mark and that there are no blank responses. Also, ensure your personal information remains legible. Finally, submit your completed sheet to the designated collection area or proctor. This final check helps prevent common errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.